4th March 2013 remains the date for the next general election of the Court of Appeal, endorsed a January High Court ruling. Justice Martha Koome was the first to give her ruling in a case in which lobby groups and Kenyans sought interpretation and determination of a High Court ruling over the date of the next general election. In her ruling, she pointed out that elections ought to be held before January 15, 2013, saying that Parliament should be dissolved on November 14, 2012. Koome asserted that life of Parliament should not exceed a 5-year cycle.
The dissolution of Parliament 60 days after the expiry of its term contradicts the provisions of Section 10 of the 6th Schedule as it extends the period of the National Assembly beyond the term of 5 years.
She ruled that the High Court misinterpreted the Constitution, hence the two options the court gave were unconstitutional. Judges Erastus Githinji, Hannah Okwengu, Kalpana Rawal and David Maraga ruled that the March 4, 2013 date set by the IEBC was in order and ought to be upheld.
It would be a judicial impropriety to criticize the decision of the High Court on the basis of extraneous matters which did not form part of the decision.
The argument that an election date 60 days after the expiry of the term of the National Assembly would lead to the term of the National Assembly being irregularly extended can only hold if the term of the National Assembly is to expire on the date of the next general election.
The IEBC settled on the second option given in the High Court ruling, setting the election date at 4th March 2013, 60 days after expiry of the current Parliament. This is after President Mwai Kibaki and Prime Minister Raila Odinga failed to agree in writing to dissolve the coalition government by October this year. The Court of Appeal has, however, opened up this matter, saying that whoever feels aggrieved can seek interpretation from a higher court. For News at 8, I'm Shem. Oluchiri.